Alright, so back on the charts. I'm gonna start with gold. Um, gold has not really been doing anything since the last recording. Price was down here. Did have price dropping. I would have entered here. Would have got stopped out here if I would have entered for a trade. I am going to make the live account soon. To just start trading like penny lots with. It's gonna be a really small account, but yeah, price has just been creating lower highs and lower lows. I mean, only lower highs, but I don't see price pushing above this area again. It closed below 6 days in a row where it closed below the 2650 area. It is steadily heading above it, so if we do see a close in a retest, I am gonna be strong on buys, but for now we just see an extended head and shoulders. Yeah, we just see this pull it all the way over here, head and shoulders, um, and that's and 61.8 retracement for gold. Tap the 78.6. I'm gonna see it drop down. Hopefully, just gonna be patient and see what price does. But that is what I do see price doing for GA. GA has been absolutely pushing like crazy. I do have it hitting um this previous high. I did not jot this down, but there is another area here. I think some off, but yes, right here, another area. Price reaches this area, wicks below it, or it goes below it a little bit, pushes up, breaks above it, breaks above the moving average, retests the moving average, and is pushing up again off of it. So this will be perfect indication to buy. Enter for a buy right here. Stop loss right there. TP all the way up here. Or you could have scaled down, got an even more precise entry. Once you see this break right here, enter here, stop loss here, or even when you see the break above this moving average right here, and just maximize the risk to reward here. So that is what I'm seeing for GA, and we'll see based off if it keeps pumping or not. But gonna delete this. Don't need this anymore. Just deleting the past stuff. Oh, we just don't need on the charts. Boom, boom, all this necessary stuff. Just deleting it. Keeping the charts really simple. And we just have this. This is all we really need. And I'll move this up. This is what I see now. To the 2 area flats. Price is pushing up like crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if we are able to reach this area before the end of the year. Because it will take some time to get there, but I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, we're creating a steady structure, but I need to see a break of this area. It's, no. If I see, nah, I'm just gonna play it by ear, see how price is moving. That's really it. I'm not gonna speculate on where price is gonna get to for now because it's pretty uncertain. But it's really it for price for now. For AU, price has been moving very structured. Push below the area or this point where price stopped at heavily, pushed through it, retested on the 4 hour, retested the moving average, and it's pushing down and it rejected it. We could go to the 15-minute. Once we see it reach this area, we're waiting for a push through the moving average. See this lower high, push through the moving average, enter here, stop loss above here, take profit. You could put a Fibonacci from here to here. Take profit here, or take profit at the original -27 and the original negative 61.8. Those could have been your TPs too. But these are really just price is really just moving in a very simple structured way. There's not really much to it. It's pushing down, pushing up, and I do still have this pushing down. We're just waiting on a big move. I do think price has been consolidating for about a week now. I do think, more than a week. Price is gonna make a big move. Price has been just consolidating, just waiting for the opportunity to make a big move. So we're gonna probably see it soon. If we look at the DXY, let's see. Yeah, that's why I've reached the all-time high, creating a head and shoulders. But I don't like to trade based off the DXY because if you see prices going up and you see gold, prices going up, so I don't really know they correlate, but I don't really like to trade based off of it. But trend line here, nowhere near it right now. But remove this trend line and just have it simple. Boom. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. We can see it with our eyes. AU. Don't need this. Do not need this anymore. Price is not pushing up. And yeah, we could just see structure with the eyes. So that is what I really have set for now. Just gonna be patient and wait for price to do what it does. So yeah. Alright, so next day, still haven't opened that live account, but just analyzing the markets again. Just looking at structure, price is just pushing up, man. I do think it's gonna get to the 2.0 area. Not before the end of this week, but definitely probably before the end of this month. Honestly, we're starting with GA this time. Definitely, before the end of the month, I think. Price really just is pushing up with no sign of stopping. Honestly, and came down a little bit, pushed up on the moving average, pushed up, then came down again, retested this 1.975 area, then pushed up. Yeah. Once you see price get here, 15-minute, boom, push up, enter. You see price here, boom, enter. 2 entries right there. Price clears it. Price is clearing these higher highs and higher lows. It's just not showing any sign of stopping for now. These daily candlesticks have been very strong. Push up, retracement, push all the way up. We might see retracement here, but honestly, price has just been going crazy. For gold, and as anticipated, price is dropping. We see off of this 61.8, it's dropping just to get into the next level. As said, it's really simple. There's not much I really have to say. It's simple. If we move this Fibonacci all the way up here, actually, here, boom, 38.2, and okay, and I can have my TP at this area right here, even stronger. This is a more daily swing trade, but this is our overall take profit here. Could enter for one here and have trades in the middle. At 2600, negative 27, and then here finally. So those are the trades. See this head and shoulders here. It's very simple. AU did push up a little bit. Came up here to retest. We could see this Fibonacci too. We were looking at this Fibonacci before, but it came back to the 50 and just absolutely slammed down off of it. Couldn't break above. And then once we see this, boom, push all the way down. You can enter here, stop loss above here. If you see the backtesting videos, it's really the same thing. Price really really likes to do the same things, and it's really simple. I think I've reached my aha moment, you could say. I haven't been looking at the charts that much. I'm really focused on school. But when I get back in the charts, it's gonna be good. Yeah, I can't wait. But just looking at the charts, making a bias, and just seeing it play out, that's really what I've really been doing. And price has just been moving in the direction I've been calling it out for. And it's really simple. There's not really much I could say. I'm going to focus more on back testing, though. So whenever I get more time, Gonna be back testing a lot. Uh, not too much, so I don't get impatient. But I'm gonna back test my strategy and refine it, and definitely keep up with the markets. But just learning to just let the markets move is one thing I've been learning this whole time. I haven't looked at the markets, and the price has just been moving. These alerts are really what's gonna save my career. Honestly, setting alerts where when I see price get to an area, looking at it, entering, boom. Whenever I see what I want to, get away from the charts. Alerts again. It's really what it is. So I think that's gonna be it. Just gonna eye on price and see keep our eyes on price and see what happens. But pretty short section, but that's really it. Just gonna wait. Just gonna be patient. So yeah.